Pizza lovers, are you still reheating leftover pizza in the microwave and wondering why it turns into a sad, soggy disaster? What if I told you there's a method that actually makes leftover pizza taste better than when it was first delivered? Today, we're revealing the air fryer technique that's completely revolutionizing how people think about leftover pizza. And trust me, once you try this method, you'll never go back. But seriously, can reheated pizza really taste better than fresh? And why does the microwave turn perfectly good pizza into something that belongs in the trash? Let's solve these pizza mysteries once and for all. First, let's address why microwaved pizza is such a disaster. The microwave heats from the inside out, creating steam that makes the crust soggy while simultaneously turning the cheese into molten lava that somehow becomes rubbery when it cools. It's literally the worst possible combination for pizza texture. What about the oven method? Sure, it's better than the microwave, but who wants to wait 15 minutes for preheating just to reheat a slice or two? Plus, oven reheating often dries out the toppings while you're waiting for the crust to crisp up. So, how does the air fryer change everything? It combines the speed of microwave heating with the crisping power of oven heat. But here's the real magic: air fryers actually improve leftover pizza in surprising ways. Here are the 3 game-changing advantages. First, superior texture restoration. Air fryers use rapid air circulation to re-crisp the bottom crust while gently warming toppings from above. This means you get that satisfying crunch back in your crust while keeping toppings perfectly heated. But here's what's amazing. The air fryer can actually make day-old pizza crust crispier than it was when originally delivered. Second, lightning speed. How long does perfect pizza reheating take? Just 3 to 4 minutes with no preheating required. From cold pizza to perfectly reheated slice in under 5 minutes total. Third, even temperature. Ever burned your mouth on molten cheese while biting into a cold crust? Air fryers heat pizza evenly, so every bite is the perfect temperature. The cheese melts beautifully without becoming nuclear hot. But here's where it gets really interesting. Different types of pizza actually benefit from air fryer reheating. Day-old thin crust becomes incredibly crispy, often better than fresh. Thick crust develops a wonderful contrast between crispy exterior and soft interior. Even stuffed crust reheats perfectly with the cheese inside warming through while the outside crisps up. So, what's the foolproof method? Here's the step-by-step technique. Step 1. Start with room temperature pizza if possible. Cold pizza from the fridge works fine, but add an extra 30 seconds to cooking time for more even heating. Step 2. Place pizza slices in a single layer in your air fryer basket. Don't overlap them. If you have multiple slices, work in batches for best results. Step 3. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This is the sweet spot that crisps the crust without overcooking toppings. Step 4. Check at the 3-minute mark. The cheese should be bubbly and the crust should sound crispy when tapped. Want extra crispy crust? Add another minute, but watch carefully. Now, here are 4 pro tips that will make your reheated pizza absolutely incredible. Pro tips number 1. For extra crispy bottom crust, lightly spray the air fryer basket with cooking spray before adding pizza. This prevents sticking while promoting even browning on the bottom. Pro tip number 2. For thick crust or deep dish pizza, cover with foil for the first 2 minutes, then remove for the final 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures thick crust heats through completely while still achieving that crispy exterior. Pro tip number 3. Revive dried out toppings by lightly misting the pizza with water before reheating. Just a quick spray helps rehydrate vegetables and prevents them from becoming too crispy. Pro tip number 4. Add fresh ingredients after reheating. Sprinkle fresh basil, arugula, red pepper flakes, or drizzle good olive oil once the pizza comes out. This adds brightness and makes leftover pizza taste restaurant fresh. Want to take it to the next level? Here are some creative upgrades. Transform boring leftover pizza by adding a fried egg on top during the last minute of reheating. The heat cooks the egg white while leaving the yolk slightly runny. Instant gourmet breakfast pizza. Create pizza croutons by cutting day-old pizza into cubes and air frying at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect for salads or snacking. What about different pizza styles? Here's your quick adjustment guide. Thin crust pizza, 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. Lower temperature prevents burning. New York style, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. The standard method. Chicago deep dish, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes with foil cover for first half. Thick crust, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes. The bottom line, air fryer pizza reheating isn't just better than the microwave, it's often better than fresh delivery pizza. You get perfectly crispy crust, properly melted cheese, and evenly heated toppings in a fraction of the time. Have you tried reheating pizza in your air fryer? What's your favorite leftover pizza transformation? Drop a comment below with your pizza reheating secrets or questions. If this video completely changed your leftover pizza game, smash that like button, subscribe for more air fryer magic, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest kitchen game changers.